हेलो फ्यूचर डिजाइनर्स, क्या आप UCEED 2024 एंट्रेंस दे रहे हैं? तो कम ऑन, लेट्स चेक UCEED पेपर पैकेट 2024. What will be asked in the UCEED entrance and what would be the test structure? But before moving further, I would like to mention that as UCEED has done some changes in the Part B section which is not announced yet, and so I am not mentioning here the changes, but will record about changes after the official announcement by UCEED. So please stay connected with us till then, and for more exciting videos, subscribe our channel by pressing the bell icon. So guys, UCEED is a very standard examination consisting of one single paper. The examination is conducted for 3 hours and the total marks are 300. Now this paper is divided into two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A is a computer-based test in total of 240 marks and it is conducted for 2.5 hours. Part B is a pen and paper drawing based test which is conducted for 30 minutes and the total marks are 60. Now let's discuss in detail. Part A. तो guys, Part A में 3 डिफरेंट सेक्शन होते हैं जिसके अंदर क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. पार्ट ए सेक्शन नंबर 1 में न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी टेस्ट से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी टेस्ट इंक्लूड्स 18 क्वेश्चंस वेयर आंसर्स आर इन नंबर्स एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस कैरी 4 मार्क्स फॉर ईच आंसर एंड देयर इज नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग. दैट मीन्स one can score as much as 72 marks from this section. Now guys, let's discuss this with an example. How many states are there in India? How many corners are there in a cube? So guys, this way you are going to test it on various subject areas जहाँ answers numbers में होंगे. अब देखते हैं section 2 which is multiple select question. मल्टीपल सेलेक्ट क्वेश्चन का मतलब कि एक क्वेश्चन के 4 ऑप्शन होंगे और एक से ज़्यादा ऑप्शन उस क्वेश्चन के सही होंगे. द मार्किंग स्कीम विल बी एज फॉलोज. You will be rewarded full marks for if all the correct options are chosen and none of the incorrect options are chosen. If all the 4 options are correct but only 3 options are chosen and none of the incorrect options are chosen, then you will be rewarded partial marks 3. If 3 or more options are correct but only 2 options are chosen, both of which are correct and none of the incorrect options are chosen, in that case you will be rewarded partial marks 2. You will be rewarded partial mark 1 if 2 or more options are correct but only 1 option is chosen and it is a correct option and none of the incorrect options are chosen. Guys, if none of the option is chosen, the question is unanswered. Then you will be given 0 marks and negative marking -1 in all the other cases. For example, if I ask you to mark the characteristics of lemon and the options are sour, yellow, vitamin C and square. So you can mark lemon is associated with sour, lemon is associated with yellow, lemon is associated with vitamin C. So in total 3 options are correct. तो गाइस, इस सेक्शन का हर एक ऑप्शन 4 मार्क्स का है एंड देयर विल बी पार्शियल मार्किंग फॉर ईच करेक्ट ऑप्शन. देयर इज नेगेटिव मार्किंग फॉर रॉन्ग आंसर विच इज -1. नाउ गाइस, सेक्शन नंबर 3 इज गोइंग टू बी MCQ. MCQ का मतलब मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन जहाँ 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे एक क्वेश्चन के और कोई एक सही आंसर होगा. तो गाइस, यहाँ पर 0.71 नेगेटिव मार्किंग होगी और एक क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स का होगा. पार्ट बी. नाउ लेट्स लुक पार्ट बी which is a drawing ability test. Part B is of 30 minutes and you will have 1 question. So this 1 question will be a subjective question. So guys, यहाँ आपको complete situation दी जाएगी जिसमें आपको इस situation को समझना पड़ेगा and you need to show your creativity, compositional skills, aesthetic presentation, fundamental of design like perspective and present proportion by answering that question. तो guys, ये complete creative composition based question होगा which you have to solve within an half an hour and it is going to be of 60 marks. So guys, this was all about UCEED 2024 paper pattern. Hope you liked it. Thank you and best of luck.